Sentence correction earlier used to be about grammar and rules and idiom and other things. This was earlier. Today it is all about this, plus the overriding thing is meaning clarity. The most important thing is meaning clarity today. This was not the case earlier. So sentence correction, major change in the entire section. From that perspective, we'll try to just see how to approach it today. I am not doing it in detail as we very clearly understand, but still, let's see how to approach everything in SC right now. When you see before learning how to make a synthetic growth hormone, scientists had to remove it painstakingly in small amounts from the pituitary glands of human cadavers. Here the meaning is important. If you want to understand the meaning, the condition is you have to read full sentence or half sentence. Otherwise you can't understand the meaning of any sentence. So read the full sentence. Usually our tendency is to read this much, read the underlined portion, but very rarely people have a tendency to read this. They don't read normally. Am I right here? How many of you actually read the last portion and that was important according to you? Okay, some of you did, but let's see whether normally what is our tendency? Okay, think about it. How much will we read normally? Only till the underline or beyond that also? Till the underline. That's where the fundamental mistake happens. Let's see. Human dead bodies, human cadavers, you are taking something out of human dead bodies. Can it be called a synthetic item directly, or it's impossible to take out something synthetic from a human dead body? Will be called a natural or a synthetic source? Human cadaver will be a natural organic source, right? From that, if I take out something, it cannot be directly synthetic. I can take it out and later in the lab I can synthesize it, mix some chemicals, make it a little different. So the word synthetic is not possible in option A, B and C because of meaning clarity. What does it mean? What is the meaning of it here? They had to remove it painstakingly. What is it going back to? Which value? Which word? Sorry. It is going back to synthetic growth hormone. It means option A, B and C are telling me we are taking out synthetic growth hormones out of a natural source, human dead body. Impossible. It's an impossible meaning. So between D and E, now if I say before learning, who is learning according to you? Somebody. We are not sure, scientists or somebody, but somebody is learning. That somebody has to come after the comma in option E. Okay. If I say before announcing the new quarter results, what would you say before announcing? A new plan was discovered or the manager discovered a new plan? What will be better? Before announcing. Who is announcing? Somebody, the manager. You can't say before announcing a new plan. It is more like very easy sentence, barking and yelling. That sentence I always write because it gives you the meaning instantly. He was chased by a dog. This completely changes the meaning. I don't want to say this. So the same logic, before learning it should be somebody who is learning. Option E is wrong. By elimination my answer is D, and that is perfect. I'll give you a technique that can solve this question extremely fast. If you have a verb form of a word, adjective form of the same word and noun form of the same word, then always verb is preferred to adjective and adjective is preferred to noun. For the same word. Now synthetic is adjective or noun or verb? What is synthetic? Synthetic, adjective, and synthesize, verb. How many options use the word synthesize? Please tell me. 2, right? So I would have been able to eliminate ABC by verb preferred to adjective, adjective preferred to noun rule also. It's a standard rule that will be followed.